Hello, students! The next batch for Daniel's comprehensive Azure Data Engineering training program starts on February 27th. Key topics covered are 1. Azure Data Factory, 2. Azure Databricks, 3. Azure Synapse Analytics, 4. Apache Spark, 5. Stream Analytics, and 6. Azure Synapse Pipelines. Course duration is 40 hours or 4 weeks. The course fee is $600 per student. This is a live interactive course, and recorded videos of each session will also be shared with students. This course covers the topics required for the Microsoft Certification Exam DP 203 in detail. We also are providing materials and question banks for the certification exam. Mr. Pavin, a Microsoft Certified Azure Data Engineer, DP 203, with 5 years of hands-on Microsoft Azure Data Stack experience. His expertise is with Azure Data Platform, includes Azure Databricks, Delta Lake, Data Factory, Synapse, HT Insight, Data Catalog, and Cosmos DB. Besides, he also has significant experience in big data infrastructure and software development. He has a great passion for mentoring students, and he will take you deep into the Azure Data Platform domain. Please reach out to Daniel for course details and registration information. Thank you for showing interest in Daniel's comprehensive Azure Data Engineering training program. Take care